Hello and welcome to English with Rudy. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use negative sentences using don't and doesn't. We will learn to use didn't in another lesson, so please make sure to subscribe to my channel for updates. Don't and doesn't are used in the present simple tense. To know more about present simple tense, please watch Speak Better English lesson 3 and 4. I will leave a link on top. Don't and doesn't are short forms of do not and does not. To learn how to use don't and doesn't, let's use 7 affirmative sentences. So in each of these sentences, we have the subject and the verb. Now to convert these affirmative sentences to negative sentences, we have to decide when to use don't and doesn't. To do that, we have to pay attention to the subjects of each sentence. If the subject is first person singular, first person plural, second person, and third person plural, then we must use don't. And if the subject is third person singular, then we must use doesn't. Let's apply these rules to these 7 sentences. So, I live in Shillong will become I don't live in Shillong. I eat dinner will become I don't eat dinner. You play the piano will become you don't play the piano. He knows my name will change to he doesn't know my name. She watches TV will change to she doesn't watch TV. It flies to New York will change to it doesn't fly to New York. And finally, they need your help will change to they don't need your help. So remember, if the subjects are I, we, you, and they, then use the negative form don't. And if the subjects are third person singular, he, she, it, then use the negative form doesn't. I hope this lesson was useful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.